Hey, it's Angeline here. Today we have a special blog hop with Brutus, Monroe and Unity Stamp design team, and I'm gonna show you how to foil a background stamp. So first I've grabbed the Brutus Monroe Unity stamp, which is called Spilled Paint, which is so big and beautiful. I love it. And I'm going to use some Versamark ink here to emboss the stamp onto my card. So I'm just gonna ink up the entire stamp here. You could use any embossing inks that you have as well, and just place your card directly on the stamp and take a scrap piece of paper and smooth the ink out onto your card. Next, I'm grabbing the Stamp and Bond embossing powder from Stampendous. This embossing powder is special because once it is heated, it will dry slightly tacky, so you can add some foiling to your card. Just grab your heat tool and just heat up the powder. You'll know once it's done when it turns translucent and slightly tacky to the touch. Next, I'm grabbing my Deco Fall here in Lapis watercolor, which is this blue, gold and silver color. Pretty side up, just place it directly onto your card and run it through your laminator or Minc machine. Here I'm using the Heidi Swapp Minc machine, which I've set to number 1 as the heating power. So once it's done, it's time to remove the fall from your card and reveal the magic underneath. Just check out how pretty and shiny the thing is with your stamp and fall. Next, I have already stamped and colored this cute mermaid and dolphin from the Phyllis Depth of Life stamp set. And I'm grabbing my Aleene's tacky glue to just glue everything down onto my card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!